Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use numbered list on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, go here to the URL section and just type Google Docs, hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. From that page, you'll need to click at the first link. Make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. Just avoid that. Once you click on it, you'll find yourself now at this page. From here, you'd like to sign in into your account if you have an account already. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for free by clicking at this option to create your account. So once you did one of these two options, you'll find yourself here. Sorry, not here. You'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And actually from here, you will be able to create a new document, choose some of their provided templates by Google Docs, which is actually free, or you can just go and open some of your recent documents. For me, I'm just going to open a recent document, which is actually empty. And now we would like to number like our list, or I'm just going to show you how to number like your pages here on the Google Docs. So this is an example. I have a lot of pages, so let me just keep clicking at enter, which is going to create for me like here 3 pages, and at every page I'm just going to write H, here H, and I guess yeah, we have 3 pages. So now what I would like to do if I want to add number to those pages. So simply if I want to do that, we would like now to go to insert option, which is here at the top left, and now we would like to go into this, what is this? Yeah, this page numbers. So here we would like to choose if we would like to put the numbers at the header of the page or at the footer of the page. Of course, you would like to page or to number whatever all the pages, or just or start the numbering from a certain page. So of course I'm just going to number all the pages, and I'm going to put the number at the footer of the page, and I'm just going to click on this, and as you can see now, of course that started here, which is the first page because I chose all the pages. Now this is the first page, second page, third page, and you are good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.